Still remain standing. O God of our creation, grant this our one where no man is oppressed. Nigeria may be blessed. Amen. Chairman of the Commission, the representative of
The tempo of electoral activities is rising steadily as we move towards the 2027 general election. The reality places a greater burden on our collective soldiers. Security agencies must therefore up the ante in planning, deployment, intelligence gathering, and interagency coordination to ensure that every electoral activity is conducted in a safe, peaceful, and credible environment. I am pleased to state, without equivocation, that the conduct of the election was very peaceful. It was conducted in a peaceful environment in which it was held with so much professionalism and the dedication of our security agencies. The effective deployment, proactive intelligence coordination, and firm response to threats ensure that the electoral space was sufficient.
Governorship election held on 8 November 2025. He also expresses profound appreciation to the security and law enforcement agencies for their outstanding performance during the election. Political parties, candidates, and their supporters are therefore urged to conduct themselves with decorum and uphold the integrity of the democratic process. Any non-compliance will be dealt with severely in accordance with the law. Finally, the media, civil society, organizations, community leaders, and the citizens are urged to support peaceful elections actively, as this can cultivate a sense of shared responsibility and strengthen the integrity of the democratic process.
To deploy massively. I repeat again, the Nigerian police force will continue to deploy massively for all elections across the country, and the purpose of this is to ensure that elections are violence-free and peaceful, and we'll continue to do this in collaboration with other security agencies that are members of this committee. And again, the Inspector General of Police has also directed me to inform this gathering that the Nigerian Police Force will continue to give adequate security to all INEC staff, facilities, and materials across the country. Not only during elections, even when there are no elections taking place. This is to enable members of INEC and staff to be able to carry out their duties without any fear in any part of the country. So this is the message from the Inspector General of Police.
the Inspector General of Police, our National Committee President, Directors of the Commission, Chairman, agencies here represented, Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security, this being the Chairman of the Commission, to introduce the SAM. A round of applause for him, please. Inspector General of Police, no other than CPR. We have our national commissioners, the members of the commission. Also, we have Dr. Baba Bila Yusuf. We have Professor Abdullahi Zuru. We also have the directors of the commission here, of the Electoral Institute, Professor Ibrahim Sani. We have the Chief of Staff, Mr. Akinola Fagbemi, Dayo Ketola. And we have the Special Assistant. Also, is that Madam Amino Idris. So you're welcome for its introduction.
Oloide MNI, Director of Campaign Planning, Defense Headquarters.